Hello, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 427 Corona Road in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in just a moment, but I'm going to give you a view of the surrounding area. This home is located on the east side of Petaluma on a working ranch. Like a lot of working ranches, you enter primarily through the back door of this home. It has amazing views of the Sonoma Mountain, very close to the rail line in East Petaluma, pretty much walking distance, so it should be pretty rare for a country property. There are 2 parking spots available, as well as a shed slash garage. I would not call it watertight, but it's there for the tenant's use. Tenant has access to the yard here and the yard in front. Let's go take a look inside. So if you come in through the back door, you enter through the laundry room. There's the washer and dryer hookups and a bathroom and stall shower. You come into the large kitchen with an electric range. This is a really nice size kitchen with an eat-in area, as well as additional storage along this wall. You can come into the formal dining room and living room area. And this would be the front door. There is an office with built-in cabinets. And then you can hear the train off in the distance. Full bathroom with tub and shower. And down the hall, I just absolutely adore this wallpaper. Just want to show you this. It's so cute. So this would be the primary bedroom, and this room, looks out over the kind of the hills and the yard here. Lots of built-in cabinets, really nice, and a large closet as well. Down the hall to the left is the next bedroom. All these bedrooms are really generously sized. Then off to the right is another bedroom. This one also has access to the back patio area and the 4th bedroom. So again, this is 427 Corona Road in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.